Have you guys thought about what is beyond the city life? Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Vishwesh and I'm a wildlife conservationist, a naturalist, a bird watcher, a herpetologist, a reptile trainee, an author, a motivational speaker. So, my journey started at the age of 6.5. I was born in the metropolitan city of Mumbai. So I started when I was 6.5 and my journey started from a regular family trip to Ooty. I was very curious about the nature when I first was entering the Nilgiris district. The place was very beautiful, very green, and I saw many things that I could not see in the city. I just kept questioning my father about why this place is like this. Like, why is the nature over here like this? Why are these kind of birds found in this place and not anywhere else? My father said, well, you're on a family trip. You should enjoy the trip and have a great time, enjoy, buy a few toys and go back. But when I continuously kept asking these questions, he motivated me a bit and then we slowly started connecting to people. We shifted from Mumbai to Ooty and that's where my journey started. And by the time we shifted to Ooty, it was already COVID period. So I had ample of time in my hand to research about my passion. So I slowly started learning many other courses like coding and abacus, but my main focus was wildlife. My parents slowly started connecting with more people for my passion. So when we slowly met another new people who are into this field of wildlife, I was more encouraged. We met a couple of jeep drivers who were okay with taking me into the forest through the main road so I could research. So I did my research in 2 years and I identified 28 species of birds. After that, I started and I developed an interest for photography. So I started learning photography myself at first, but then I was trained by a very well-known photographer, Ms. Radhika Ramswamy, who accepted me as her student and I learned photography with ma'am. It was a great experience for me. I learned a lot of new things. And I slowly started documenting all the birds that I had already seen and written their names. So I spent another 1.5, 2 years for that. So I did my bird research for 4 years and I published a book named The Birds of Massanagudi. The book contains pictures all taken by me and the birds that I've identified. My book was felicitated by the Honorable President of India, Ms. Draupadi Murmu, during her visit to Massanagudi. So that was another achievement for me. And I was very glad that I was able to meet Pam and she has my book. That is how I completed my journey with birds and I slowly started developing interest into reptiles. There was an NGO over there where I was a member and there were many experts in that. There were experts in elephants, tigers, snakes and many other animals. So everyone wanted to train me in their own field, but I had a special soft corner for elephants and reptiles. So I slowly started learning about reptiles from the experts and I also joined an international course known as Junior Masters in Herpetology. It's a degree provided for special students who are interested into this field. So I got this degree for 1 year and I completed my degree and I'm a certified herpetologist. With the degree, I'm also a certified reptile trainee. I rescued snakes. I've rescued more than 100 snakes till date and released them back into the wild safely. And apart from that, I'm also a motivational speaker, as I mentioned. And I've taken classes for more than 9,500 children all over India. And my topic is wildlife conservation, something that is very important in today's age. So that is all about me. And there's just one message I have for all of you, is to follow your passion. And there's something else that you must also explore apart from studies. Thank you.